Hey guys, welcome back. I got another one of those surprise boxes, which is cool, and I love it. But it's like, I wonder what's in this thing. I know who sent this. Obviously I took the shipping label off already. But Rick over at Rusty Rotors sent me this. He says, hey, I'm going to send you something. It's right up your alley. And then I love it. Opened it on camera. Okay, so going to open this up and going to see what's in here. I know that Rick would not send me something that would prank me or anything. I don't know if he would or not, but I don't think so. So let's get this thing open and check it out. So Rick has recently started a YouTube channel. If you haven't checked out Rusty Rotors, go over and check him out. Doing real good. Growth is great. He puts like a video out every hour. I'm just joking. He has put quite a few videos out in a short amount of time, which is, that's how you got to do it. But he's doing really good. I'll link his channel in the description. So here we go. Ready? Oh, it's bubble wrap. Sent me a box full of bubble wrap. Cool. Alright, so. Oh yeah. Man, Rick, you really went out of your way, buddy. I can make a nice pillow out of that. And there is packing peanuts and more bubble wrap. And it's a thin box. Oh, cool. Oh, okay. Yeah. How do you like that? Dang. Look at that. So you guys know I did a recent haul video, and I had the 53 Corvette. And I've seen this one, monogram 56 T-Bird metal. It's the metal kit. Look at that. Look at that. I can't wait to build one of these because these look like they will build up so nice. I mean, whoever the monogram had building the kits for these, wow. Because I feel like if you entered one into a show, then the judges knowing that it was a metal body and not like a die-cast car but an actual model, that surely, oh, I knew it had to be hiding in here somewhere. Rusty Rotors, I told you, Model Car Garage. And he's got an Instagram too, at Rusty_Rotor. So go check out. I hadn't read it yet, Rick, but I'll read it. Thanks, man. I appreciate the shop card. And he sent me I hadn't looked at this yet, so I'll go through and check it out. But anyway, the metal T-Bird. Metal T-Bird, man. What a cool, what's this says? Fragile. Coming loose. Oh, okay. Okay, so it's got a few little things installed. This front suspension has some installation on it. Sounds like a box of parts here. It is. Okay, cool. Alright, so I know that this T-Bird is definitely going to get built because it's already started. So why wouldn't I go ahead and build it? So thank you, Rick, for sending me this. This kit is old too. It's from 1977. Wow, thank you so much, man. You guys are so generous, and these boxes are cool too. When you take the box top off, it still has art on the inner portion of the box, which is really cool. Oh, it's got put the box top back on and see if I can flip it without everything going crazy. Box art. These are cool boxes. Very cool. So there's the Corvette down there. There's an MG. I hadn't seen that kit, but I want you to look at that kit. Look at the job the builder did in that paint. And you know, this is from back in 1977 when they created this kit. So I don't know what paint they were using back then, but it looked nice. What a detailed, cool kit. Yep, this is going to get built for sure. Right, wow. Alright, you guys, if you hadn't already gone over and checked out Rusty Rotors, go check him out. He's also just got, came on board with Hobby Nut Models, which I've been on board with Mark at Hobby Nut for quite some time now. And Mark extended the invitation for him to join Hobby Nut Models as an affiliate, and he's done that, and that's great for Rick. Also, Jason over at Blue Ox Model Shop has already also, if you've not watched Jason, I'll link Jason's Blue Ox Model Shop, his channel, in the description as well. They both have linked up with Hobby Nut Models. If you haven't gone to Hobby Nut Models, and you guys, if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I always point you to that direction. Go over and check Mark's inventory out, because see, when they painted this in 1977, it looks good, but they didn't have MCW paint then, and that's what I'm going to paint it with. And you can go to Hobby Nut Models and get you some of that fantastic MCW paint that I just love. And I was reading something. Sorry. But anyway, go get you some MCW paint. Hobby Nut Models, linked in the description below. Go check it out. Go to the Facebook group, Model Car Videos Facebook group. Go join there if you haven't already. Thank you guys who have bought t-shirts, stickers, coffee mugs, and all those things. I greatly appreciate it. Also, my Patreon members, thank you so much for your support. Thanks, Rick, Rusty Rotor, for sending me this die-cast metal 56 T-Bird kit that's going to see some paint very soon. I can't wait. I wish I'd have got it like 2 days ago. I went ahead and started it. But anyway, alright, so you guys take care, and don't forget to check these guys out. Linked in the description below. They're going to be right there. Go click on them. Give them a sub if you haven't already. And they've got great content. You guys take care, and we will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.